Hello everyone, today I have this premium vent cover from Green Vent. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get the installation guide, vent cover, bag with screws, and a vent adjustment tool. This is everything you get in the box. Before ordering, please make sure to measure your duct opening. Always measure the opening, not the old vent cover. It's made from solid aluminum alloy, making it rust-proof, warp-free, and built to last. The modern black frame with linear blades adds a sleek architectural touch. The wider slots let the airflow pass through smoothly and quietly. And with the adjustment bar, airflow control is simple. Here is the old vent compared to the new diffuser. The build is solid, the design is modern, and while it's sturdy enough for floor use, we recommend placing it in areas with lighter foot traffic to keep it looking its best. The installation is quick and tool-free. Just remove the old floor vent cover and drop the new one in. It should fit nice and snug without a problem. As you can see, the difference is immediate. The new vent looks cleaner, sharper, and more refined. It is strong, stylish, and easy to install. The Green Vent Premium Diffuser is a simple upgrade that blends seamlessly into your home. So check it out. You'll be glad you did.